Be blessed by the divine. Anti-aging effects of Sky Yoga and Kalpa Yoga that you will love to learn today. Now the Sky Yoga, Simplified Kundalini Yoga, and the Kalpa Yoga, KKY, are beautiful systems gifted to us by our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi. And this Sky Yoga meditation allows you to meditate on your own life force, the Kundalini, between the Agna Chakra, that is between the eyebrows in the Agna Chakra, and your Sahasrara Chakra. The Agna Chakra is connecting to your pituitary gland, and the Sahasrara Chakra connects to your pineal gland. Similarly, at the higher levels of Simplified Kundalini Yoga, you will also learn to open all your 9 chakras, 7 of them in the human body: Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraha, Anagada, Visuddhi, Agna, and Duriya. These 7 are within the human body. Now, our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi explained that each of these chakras are nothing else but your endocrine glands. Mooladhara connects on one part to the sexual gland, other part to the adrenal. Swadhisthana connects to your reproductory gland, and Manipuraha connects to your pancreas, Anahada connects to thymus, and your Visuddhi connects to thyroid, Agna connects to pituitary, and Sahasrara connects to pineal gland. When you age, the first thing that starts to age and therefore starts to diminish its functions are these endocrine glands. When you meditate on your own life force over each of these 9 chakras, the endocrine glands live longer, live healthier, and help you to remain youthful for a very long time, and certainly reduces the rate of aging over a period of time. And this is secret number 1. The second one is the Kalpa Yoga. Kaya means body, Kalpa means immortality. Kalpa Yoga is therefore termed as body immortality yoga. There are essentially 3 primary benefits of this yoga. 1, it helps to fight your diseases and prevent diseases, and helps to remain highly immune against any sort of illnesses and infection, and therefore you will not fall sick that easily. Even if you do sometimes, you will certainly recover very quickly from your illness. Second, it helps to fight the aging process. It helps to reverse the aging process. It helps to remain youthful for a fairly long period of time. The third benefit, which the rishis have talked about in the past, is that it can perhaps help to postpone death to suit one's wishes. Now, this Kalpa Yoga has been simplified and being gifted to us and taught by various Sky Yoga centers through the wonderful system given to us by our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi. When he taught it to us, he told us that through this Kalpa Yoga, you will be able to transmute the sexual energy to spiritual energy from the Mooladhara Chakra, reproductive gland. You will be able to recirculate the vital fluid that may have descended from your cerebrospinal area back into the cerebrospinal area through this Kalpa Yoga. When you practice this, your brain remains active, brain remains youthful, young, and all your endocrine glands remain healthy and strong and youthful at all times. Visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com to learn the Simplified Kundalini Yoga, and visit kayakalpayoga.com to sign up and attend our next Kayakalpa Yoga workshop near you. Be blessed by the divine.